Coming back to Australia means bringing back knowledge and experience from Israel and contributing that to the Peter Mac and mixing it with the current knowledge and expertise here. So the long-term goal of my lab is to try and identify the molecules that can manipulate tumor suppressors in cancer cells and use those in the clinic. This molecule will serve as a template for drugs to be developed here or elsewhere in anti-cancer therapy.
It's incredibly important to have Ygal here. He works on a gene that's probably the most important gene in cancer in humans, P53. And to have someone of his standing here at the Peter Mac is fantastic for our research program. The VESKI Fellowship was incredibly important to bringing him back because it showed Ygal that not only was Peter Mac committed to having him join our institution, but the state was committed to seeing him back in Victoria. So it sent a very powerful message to him that really there were a lot of people that wanted to see him here in Victoria.
Sue is a research scientist. She's my wife, and so we're studying tumor suppression, and we're focusing on two important tumor suppressors, P53 and PML. These are key molecules that protect our body from cancer. And what we will do with the VESKI is to try and expand our knowledge of the regulation of these tumor suppressors. I think the VESKI Fellowship, the idea is fantastic. Bringing in scientists, Victorian, back to Victoria is a very attractive and a good move. I think it should be expanded possibly to bring in more young scientists as well as a more established one and get that mix, because I think it's very important for Victoria to bring in good postdocs back to the institute and the universities and building up the next generation of good scientists here. For me, it's a natural move, and looking forward to increase the repertoire of my collaborations and strengthen those existing ones.